Hello everyone, my name is Gianna and I'll be explaining and demonstrating how to make a text-based adventure game in Python. Here in this part of the code there are three functions which are known as the input, print, and arithmetic operators. The print function is used to display an output, and in this case it is a welcome message and a dialogue. The input is used to take input from the user, and here it makes the user choose decisions. The arithmetic operators are used for performing mathematical operations, which include addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. Before, we use the input function to get an input from a user. Now, to get the response, you use conditional logic, which include if, elif, and else. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if a specified condition evaluates to true. If it is false, then the block will be skipped. The elif statement, on the other hand, is used to check additional conditions if the preceding if statement conditions is false. The else statement is used to execute a block of code if none of the preceding conditions associated with if or elif are true. In this case, when they choose a certain response, such as exit, if they choose exit, then they'll move on to a different dialogue, and whatever else they choose, it'll lead to them quitting. The quit code is used to stop the code, so once you put quit under some part of the code, then the code will stop running at that point, or that sector. From the code so far, you can see that we're currently in the temple, and you could have the choice of either staying inside or exiting. If you choose to exit, then you'll go through two paths where you can either go straight or left, and they both give you different options. Depending on the user's response, a variety of things can happen, which include them going to a different part of the story, or gaining something, or also ending the game. Here we have another print and response. As said before, the print is used to display an output, and the response is the name for the input. At the conditional logic, we have if and elif, and both of them include response. In here we put double equal because it is used for comparison operations to check if the value on the left side of the operator is equal to the value on the right side. The reason why we can't use only one equal sign is because one equal sign is an assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to a variable. Further on throughout the game, you'll notice that the player can start losing health or possibly gaining health depending on their options. So this text-based adventure game has used a variety of functions like conditional logic, print function, input function, output, and also arithmetic operators. Here I will now show the output of what the game will be like and what happens with the variety of choices that you do.